Hi, so I'm going to show you how to run the acknowledgement reports. The first thing you do, go into Salesforce, and you're going to go to All Folders and Acknowledgements. Now, a nice little shortcut, since you'll be accessing this folder often, press this star up top, and this will bookmark this folder, so you can add it, access it anytime you want. So I'm pressing the drop down, and these are all my favorites, and press acknowledgement folder and it'll bring you right there. So let's do the new and existing report. All you have to do is click on it to run it. You don't need to edit the report to change the dates or anything, just click on it and it'll run. So the report ran, and we're going to do the drop down by edit, export, and do details only, and see it comma delimited. You're going to export it, and while that's exporting, we're going to go into the acknowledgement folder, which is marketing, direct marketing, donor relations, acknowledgement, actually AX templates, and then AX data. Go into the year, and then create a new folder for today, which I already did. So the file ran, the export ran, and let's open it. Okay, so there's quite a few things we have to do here. So the first thing is we're going to split this file into a Premier Circle file and a core file. And you do that by the last column, Premier Circle level, and just sort that. And go to the bottom, and when it's blank, we're going to actually copy everything with a W. Hold on, I have to fix the screen. Okay. So this is the last WP. I'm going to scroll up, or copy up. And I'm going to copy this into a brand new file. Paste, and then I'm going to go back to the old file and then remove this, everything I just pasted. I'm going to delete it from here, except for the header. Delete it, and then all the remaining rows will be the core file. So I'm going to save this and call it core with today's date. I made a shortcut here. And save it as an Excel file. So I already did this as a practice, but I'll do it again. Core 82619. I'll just call it B for demo purposes. So this is going to be the core file. And then I'm going to go back to the other file, which has all the Premier Circle gifts, and we're going to save this as PC with today's date. Okay. Then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to do this for each column, for each file. Right now I'm on the PC file. We're going to insert a new column and call it ACK type, acknowledgement type. And sort this column, total number of gifts. So anything with a 1, we are going to give it an ACK type as new. So copy new all the way down. And then for everything else, 2 gifts or more, the ACK type will be called generic. I'm just going to go to the bottom of the sheet. I'm just in the last row. And copy, and go all the way up. So that's called generic. And let's do this on the PC file. I'm going to flip over, insert a new column called ActType, and filter this. All ones equal new. There's a lot on here. This just means that this is their very first gift, so they get an acknowledgement letter that has, like, you know, welcome to Smile Train, blah blah blah, you know, treating them like a new donor. Generic. Okay. And I'm going to clear that. And then we're going to do a little formatting. So, formal greeting is the name we use on the envelope with their address. So we're going to, sometimes it's blank, and you'll see that here. Let's go to the bottom. So there are some blank formal greetings, and what you're going to do, you're just going to copy column E, which is the account name. You know, just so you can see, let me freeze the top row here. So I'm going to go to the blank formal greetings, and we're going to copy the account name into the formal greeting. And then informal greeting, which is like on the inside of the letter, you know, Dear John, Dear Mary. Since we don't have an actual person's name, we're just going to give it Smile Train Supporter. And let's do that on the other file, the PC file. Let me freeze the panes. And we're going to sort by formal greeting to find the blank ones. And there's only a few here. 3. Copy the account name, paste it over, and then, oops, Smile Train Supporter, copy, copy. And then we just want to look for any gifts that are over $10,000. Yes, actually, let's just sort this column, descending. Go to the amount column, and there's one gift over 10K. So we just want to highlight that. Doesn't matter what color. I'm sure there's not any on the core file, but let's check anyway. No. Last thing you want to do is also look under campaign type to see if there's any campaign types called planned giving. If there was, you would highlight that row. So there's nothing here. Let me go to the PC one. Campaign type, we're looking for planned giving. Nope. Okay, nothing to do. And then last thing for these files, oops. I'm going to go to the PC file, excuse me, the core file, and look for any account owners that are the development officers. This, over time, you'll get familiar with, but Ellen, yeah, so look for Rich Confery, Justin McCarthy, Merritt, Jackie Baca, Dave Rorden, Ellen, yourself. If you see any of their names, highlight it, and then we're going to cut this gift and move it to the other file, to the PC file. I'm going to paste it here, and then, okay, I did remove it. I'm going to unfilter. Okay, and then last thing, just sort it descending by dollar amount. This is the core file, and then the PC file. Let me show you what I'm doing here. Press amount. Okay, so I'm going to pause and make another video for the other files.